Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wayfair how to see in room. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Wayfair's view in room feature lets you see furniture and decor in your space using augmented reality on your phone. To do it, what you need to do is head over and open up your Wayfair app. Then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Next, search for an item you want to preview. Let me just select this one right here, and now here find the view in room or 3D view button if available on the selected item. Then once that's done, allow camera access if prompted. Then point your phone's camera at the space where you want to place the item. Then the item will appear in AR on your screen and you can move and rotate to see how it fits. Once that's done, you can proceed with your order to purchase the selected item. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.